Good morning, everyone. I am Isaac Chow from Faculty of Manufacturing, and now I'm studying Mechatronic Engineering. So I've joined this Briged Siswa in Sem 1. So my session is 1P. Briged Siswa is actually a very fun activities. So it actually gives us credit hour for an hour. So and amongst the programs, Briged Siswa is actually a program that teaches leadership and how to mix around with others. So it's a very good program that trains our leaderships, our disciplines, our reverence and obedience to our coach. So in Briged Siswa, you must obey every single command that comes from the coach, or else you will be disqualified and you will no more longer available in Briged Siswa, because Briged Siswa is very strict on commands. So every command that given by the coach, you must obey. So and by listening to commands, you can make every program success and you can finish your job in a proper way, and it's actually very good in future when you learn to listen others' command, and others will learn to listen your command too. So in this camp, we join a lot of activities such as camping and also drilling, and also fitness activities. So amongst these activities, we can actually learn a lot and also mix around with international students from another campus, and also make new friends. So in conclusion, I want to thank you to my coaches, especially Juan, Rosanna. Thank you for your guidance in Briged Siswa. So thank you University Malaysia Faham for organizing and giving us this Briged Siswa. So and then I want to encourage the next coming Briged Siswa and make good experience in Briged Siswa. Thank you.